let's take a look at the DeWALT utility knife. It's rather large, which is quite nice and fits perfectly in the hand, as you can see. It's well built. It's part of the Tough series, as you can see. It is got a feel that it'll last for years to come. Now it does come with a blade, and it's in the hidden compartment. You switch that forward and the handle pops up like that. Pull this up and there is your blade. One free blade, but you can store many blades in here. Pop the handle back down. I think you do want to get this right to the front like that. That's better. And then the blade is well secure, so you want to make sure it's fully pushed out, this part here, and then you want to try it. There you go. It's nice and secure like that. Now, do I recommend the DeWALT utility knife? Most definitely. It's a well built utility knife. The nice extra storage in the handle for your blades. It's a nice little feature. One free blade. Would be better if it come with more. However, for this well built utility knife, if you want to check out the latest deals, check the links in the description. But yeah, definitely worth having in anyone's toolbox from this brilliant brand of DeWALT. Will last for years. Very comfortable and feels well built. Let us know your thoughts about the DeWALT utility knife in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.